My name is Donna, and this is Drafting with Donna. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to change your units. Theoretically, you want to do this before you start your model. And if you're in one of my classes, then we already have some pre-made templates that you would use. We have the imperial and the metric, but not everybody's in my class, and they just want to know how to change the units. So I'm going to show you two different ways. Both of them are pretty much the same, but just different ways to get to it. Now, in the first case, so you may need to know how many decimal places, you're already in the imperial template and you need to change your units, right? So we're going to go right here in the bottom right-hand corner to edit document units. We're going to click on that and this pops up. You're already in units. You're already set to inch, pound, second. And if you notice, all these decimals different. So the easiest way to find out what you need to set this to is you're just going to open your book or project, whatever you're working on, and you can just look. All right, well, the most amount of decimals in each of these are 2 decimals, right? So I'm just going to change these to 2. Well, that one's already 2. And then that's it. And then when I go back to my sketch, they're all set to 2 decimal places. Well, except for that one. That one is actually a whole number. It's just going to show you the whole number, right? So another way to get to your units is go to Tools. You can go to Options. It's going to be Document Properties, Units. Now, notice it took you to the exact same place. A lot more to go through to get here versus just hitting one button. All right, well, let me know if that helped you out any. And let me know if there's any other videos you'd like to see. And y'all have a good day. Make sure you like and subscribe. See ya.